In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an adjustable camber bolt on a Honda CR-V. It's located behind the front wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. Once you remove your wheel, you have your strut bolts here. You need to remove your top one, but just loosen the bottom one. That's a 22mm nut and a 19mm bolt. Here's your adjustable camber bolt. You need to slide this plate over onto the bolt head itself, like that. The bolt goes in from the right. That plate needs to stick straight out, like this. Your washer on the other side, this lip for the washer, sticks out this way, but on the inside there's a little tab. Needs to ride inside the hole of your strut. This is a 21mm nut and an 18mm bolt. And that's what it should look like. Now you want to tighten your bottom bolt. You want to torque these 2 nuts down to 116 foot-pounds. Note, you need to bring your vehicle to the alignment shop to get an alignment. Take your wheel, slide it over your lug nut studs. Install your lug nuts by hand. Give those a snug. After you load your vehicle and your tires on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. You want to do that in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.